Digital and AI-driven tools are rapidly reshaping how leaders think strategically. In today's lesson, we'll explore what these tools are, how they're being used in real organizations, and why they matter more than ever. Whether you lead a small team or an entire business unit, you'll gain a solid understanding of how to begin leveraging digital and artificial intelligence technologies to improve insight, speed, and performance in your strategic planning process. At its core, strategy is about making informed decisions under uncertainty. Digital tools help reduce that uncertainty by capturing, organizing, and analyzing large volumes of data. These tools range from simple dashboards to complex platforms that model future scenarios. Think of them like a GPS system for strategic navigation. They offer visibility, show real-time shifts, and help plan a better path forward. One of the most common digital tools in strategic thinking is the dashboard. Dashboards centralize key metrics like market share, customer behavior, or operational costs and present them visually. Leaders can spot trends or weak signals early, then act quickly. For example, a retail company tracking online traffic by region might notice a sudden spike in one area and move resources accordingly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, goes a step further. Rather than just showing information, AI can analyze it for patterns, generate insights, and even recommend actions. This is incredibly useful in volatile environments. Picture an AI model reviewing thousands of social media posts and identifying shifting customer sentiment in real time. That's strategic intelligence no human could gather manually in the same time frame. Machine learning is a branch of AI that enables systems to learn from data and improve over time. In a strategic context, this means a tool can predict trends based on historical inputs. A hotel group, for instance, might use machine learning to forecast booking demand months in advance, adjusting pricing or staffing levels to align more effectively with anticipated needs. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another AI capability gaining ground. NLP allows tools to extract meaning from written or spoken language. This is ideal for strategy teams trying to scan and summarize market reports, customer reviews, or competitor press releases. Instead of spending days reading documents, leaders can get a distilled, actionable summary in minutes. Scenario planning is also being upgraded by digital capabilities. Traditional strategic plans might model 3 future possibilities. But with AI-powered simulations, teams can now explore hundreds, even thousands of different futures, each with probabilities assigned. This richer analysis helps leaders choose strategies that are robust under multiple future conditions. Another exciting toolset includes predictive analytics platforms. These use statistical models to estimate future outcomes based on current data. For example, a telecommunications firm might use predictive analytics to understand which customer segments are most likely to churn, then proactively target them with retention offers. These insights lead to better resource allocation and improved results. Digital twins offer a newer way of strategic modeling. A digital twin is a virtual version of an organization, process, or system. Strategy teams can use it to simulate the impact of proposed changes before rolling them out in real life. Imagine a manufacturer testing a new supply chain reconfiguration digitally first. If it works in the model, they move forward with more confidence. One advantage of these digital strategy tools is speed. Analysis that once took weeks or months can now be done in hours. But speed alone isn't enough. These tools also help with precision, bringing better quality insights to strategic conversations. Leaders can move fast, but also smart, aligning choices with evidence, not just instinct or tradition. It's important to remember, though, that tools are only as good as the people using them. The best digital strategies combine human judgment with computational power. AI can point to a market shift, but it takes a skilled leader to evaluate timing, context, and business values before acting. Human insight remains essential. Cost and accessibility are improving too. Just a few years ago, advanced AI-driven platforms were only available to global corporations. Today, many are delivered as cloud-based software with subscription models, often affordable to small and mid-sized businesses. This democratization of tools means strategic capabilities are expanding across industries and company sizes. However, we also need to stay mindful of data privacy and ethical concerns. Especially as AI tools collect and analyze sensitive information, organizations must follow applicable data laws. like the General Data Protection Regulation or GDPR in the European Union. Strategy leaders should work closely with legal and compliance teams when implementing these platforms. A good way to start using digital and AI tools in strategy is by identifying one specific challenge, like improving forecasting accuracy or market segment understanding, and exploring tools that specialize in that area. Start small, learn, and scale gradually. For instance, use a market analysis AI tool to spot new opportunities, then slowly integrate others as you build confidence. More companies are also blending digital tools with traditional strategy frameworks. You might feed pestle data, covering political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal trends, into an AI engine that clusters relevant threats. Or combine SWOT insights with predictive analytics to measure how a strength might hold up in different future models. It's not just the private sector embracing these innovations. Government agencies, nonprofits, and healthcare systems are using digital and AI strategic tools to improve planning and optimize outcomes. A public health agency, for example, used AI simulations to allocate resources during a disease outbreak, minimizing hospital overload and improving community outcomes. The rise of digital strategy tools is also reshaping how teams collaborate. Cloud-based platforms let multiple stakeholders contribute input, test assumptions, and review insights in real time, even across borders. This makes collaboration more transparent and agile, critical for increasingly global and hybrid organizations. Leaders today must make sense of more information more quickly than ever before. Digital and AI-driven tools offer leverage. They help you manage complexity, model outcomes, and make sharper strategic moves with better data behind them. But they should support, not replace, the human elements of leadership, experience, and critical thinking. To wrap up, digital and AI tools are changing the way we think and act strategically. From dashboards and predictive analytics to AI modeling and digital twins, these technologies can make strategy more responsive, accurate, and collaborative. As you continue through the course, we'll build on these ideas and explore how strategic decisions actually play out in real-world environments.